Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This one will be a very quick one, but I love lashes, and this video is for lash lovers and also those who like to save a coin when she can without compromising style and quality. I recently went to my local Dollar Tree and, not looking for them, stumbled upon eyelashes, 3D eyelashes. And this is a pair, but I'm going to share with you what I picked up, how many I picked up, and also other lashes that I love to use that does not break the bank. If you're interested, stay tuned. Friends, I had to share this video with you, and yes, I am a lash wearer. I'm a lash hoarder, as you can see, but there's something in here that I really wanted to share with my fellow lash lovers who apply them yourselves. And I'm going to share these with you first, and then I am going to talk about these because these are my trusted lashes that I have been wearing for years. I love them and continue to buy them. But as you can see, there's something else that caught my eye, and it was such a great deal that I could not pass it up. So I went to my Dollar Tree and I saw that they had this brand, and I don't know if it's Ioni or Ioni, but look at those lashes. And I like them long, not too long to where they comb up into my bangs, but I do like them to have some dramatics to them. And this is a 3D faux mink lash, and the style is extra long, wispy, full, dramatic. And these are very similar to the lashes that I have been wearing for years. Look at that. They're not too full and fully black. They don't look shiny. I was getting ready to say silky, but they don't look so synthetic and shiny like some of the lashes can be. So it was at the Dollar Tree. I wasn't fully a believer, so I purchased 3 of these, came home, tried them one day, and oh my goodness, I fell in love. So I have been on the hunt. But of course, if you don't get what you want right then, it's not guaranteed it's going to be there the next day, and you don't know how the shipping is going to be. So I have been looking for these particular lashes for about 2 weeks now. As you can see, I found them at another Dollar Tree, and I just went on and purchased every single one of them that they had on the shelf. And they also had these, and I am wearing these today because I wanted to try these out. And it's the extra long, wispy, dramatic. The only difference between this one and the yellow pack is this one is listed as full, the extra long, wispy, full, dramatic. And the green pack doesn't say full. And I mean, it still gives a dramatic look. It definitely does that. It doesn't look too overly done and like you're just doing too much. It is just right. So I tried these. The next day I didn't learn my lesson. I didn't grab them when I was in the store, but the next day I happened to go back in the store and I was able to grab all my heart's content. And that's how I ended up with this stack. Oh goodness, I'm making a mess. So when I couldn't find the yellow pack that I am so in love with, hold on. When I couldn't find the yellow pack that I was so in love with, I did see that they had this purple set. And compared to the other ones, these look like baby lashes, but the brand for me so far has been, really great. This natural light wispy, it is very natural, very light. So I could say this could be like a plan D for me, because I do like my lashes to be long and full. Can you see that? And these are very, very natural. And I just went on and grabbed 4 packs of these. And let me show you what they look like compared to the green pack. See, it's a huge difference in the fullness and the length, but definitely a good backup to have on hand. And if my daughter has a photo shoot for anything with school, you know, this could be something on standby for her. So those are the purple, and I believe they had a red colored set, and I didn't even play around with them because they were not going to make me happy at all. The purple, the natural light, is probably the shortest that I would go with the lashes. So my trusted lashes, well, this one right here is not. I believe I ordered these on Amazon. I can't remember because there's not a name on it. I threw away the packaging. But these are probably a plan C. I don't know. I like the length of these, but they're so black and they give a shiny look. It's not, I don't know, when I want something to be super duper dramatic, I think I would run to these. So I just keep these on hand. And the lashes that I absolutely love and have been wearing for years are these Kiss lashes, and they're in the style 01, but they are so wispy. I think that's the name of them, and I have a pack that has been used here. Yes, they're so wispy, full, bouncy, volume, and curl, and you get 5 pairs of lashes when you pick up a box like this. And this is what they look like. And these are my true go-tos, but I have not been wearing these since I found my new lashes, but I will always keep these on hand. And I have a few packs of those, and this is one that I've tried. It's the Kiss brand, but it's in Page Boy. They're okay. They're okay. You know, I keep them because I don't go without lashes, but I do keep these. It doesn't give me the length that I love, but it does give me something. And last but not least, these are a new find that I discovered on Amazon, and it's the Fanziton brand, and I'll leave the link below for these. But they're nice, they're full, they're wispy. I really do love these, and they do give a look as if you want to get them professionally done. And another bonus to these lashes, it comes with an eyeliner, a black glue eyeliner, and I don't use this. I use a duo glue, a lash glue in dark, and I'll show that right now. But this one comes with a black eyeliner glue pen, and I keep this one in my purse for especially when the corners of the eyelashes tend to lift up. It's good to reapply it, and it's really, really fast. You don't have to wait a long time to adhere the lash back. So that's another good brand, and that concludes my lash drawer. As you can see, I have enough to last me a pretty good while. I absolutely love these. It's my thing. And if you are a fellow lash lover and you want to, you know, try these, they're only $1. You know, lashes can get pretty expensive, and you know, it's all personal preference, but when I saw these, I knew that at some point I was going to have to share these with you. Okay, I hope that you like this video. If you have a Dollar Tree in your area and you love lashes, I'd say go now and see if they're there. Stock them several times a week. And let me know what you think about them. If you haven't already, like this video and comment below. And I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, have a great day.